Here we are on the Majestic Princess. We have a bonus. Lightning cash. Moon race bonus. First day of the cruise. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of moon rovers. What do we have here? 750 bet. Looking good, looking good. It's like 1:30 in the morning now on, I think, the 11th of June. Again, Majestic Princess just left Trieste, Italy. Pretty much our first day, bleeding into our second day. Like 1:30 in the morning our time. Bonus in the mother flower bonus. We'll take it. 100 off the top. Getting it. Mini pays 100. That's fantastic. Give us a slap. Give us a slap. There we go. Keep it alive. Keep it alive. More 30s. That'll be great. Come on, come on. Slap, slap. Keep it alive. Here we go. Here we go. Been away from the casinos. We're making up for it tonight. Fill her up. Fill her up. Alive, alive. Oh, we did it. That's awesome. And we did it. One away from the grand. 10,577.22. One away. Oh, we got the drum roll. Here we go. Count it up. Beautiful. Liking it. Bonus in the bonus. 750 bet, $300 so far. Oh, that's nice. That's a lot of wheel this. Nice, nice. One step for man, paying us off. Do it again. Couple left, couple left. Doing great so far. Almost $400 on a 750 bet. Come on, Majestic Princess. So dramatic. Milking it, milking it. Oh, almost got another bonus and a bonus. 397 in the bonus on the 750 bet. No complaints.